Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the perfect couscous. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, I will be using bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, carrots, spring onions, and here I have the couscous which I will be using. And I'll also be using some chicken breast which I will bake to go with the couscous. To begin, transfer the chicken breast to a cotton bud and cover it with a clear wrap. And I'll be using a meat hammer to press down the chicken to level it. You can also use anything of your choice to heat the chicken. And once that is done, I'll take that away and then repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Next, in a bowl, I'll add in garlic powder, thyme, onions powder, smoked paprika, chicken bouillon, salt. I'll grind in black pepper, and you can also use any seasoning of your choice. And I will mix everything together and put that aside. Next, transfer the chicken to an oven-safe dish. I will drizzle in some oil to prevent the chicken from drying out in the oven. Then I will sprinkle in the spices which we just mixed together. And I'll go over it with my hand like so and then rub the spices on the chicken very well. Flip it to the other side. Repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. So the oil is going to prevent the chicken breast from drying out in the oven. I'll add the rest of the spices on the other side and I will go over it with my hand again and then mix it together. And that is done. I'll cover the chicken and leave the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can also place it in the refrigerator and you can leave it longer to marinate. And it's been 30 minutes. I will take off the clear wrap. And I will be baking this chicken in the oven on a high heat at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a pot, add some water, add seasonings. I don't have any meat stock, so I just add water, then season it and bring it to a boil. So if you have any meat stock, you can use the meat stock, add it in the pot, bring it to a boil, then you will skip this step. I'll be adding in coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice or butter, cover and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn it off. Add the couscous. Stir to combine everything together. At this point, you want to make sure that the heat is turned off because you don't want to cook the couscous. Cover and leave it to stay for 4 to 5 minutes. Here I have all of the vegetables. They are nicely diced. And the couscous is been soaking now for about 5 minutes. I'll take off the cover and then use a fork to flop the couscous to separate it. So the couscous will stick together, so you want to separate it with a fork. You don't want to use a spoon to stir it so it doesn't become mushy. and that is done. Next, in another pot, I will add in some coconut oil. You can also use any oil of your choice. Allow the oil to heat up. Then add the diced onions. I'll fry the onions until the onions is translucent. I'll add in the garlic and ginger and then stir. Add the carrots. The carrot is not tougher than the rest of the vegetables, so stir and then cook the carrot until the carrot is a little bit soft. I'll grate in some black pepper, salt. You can also add any other seasoning of your choice at this point. Stir to combine everything together. Add the bell peppers. Stir together. And I'll be cooking it for just a minute. I don't want that to be too soft. Add the couscous. And stir to combine everything together. Add the spring onions. Stir and taste, adjust the seasoning if needed. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma coming out of my kitchen. It smells amazing and the couscous is ready. So the chicken is baking now for 15 minutes. I brought it out of the oven. I will flip it to the other side. And this will help you to get a very juicy and delicious chicken. I'll then send it back to the oven and then bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. The chicken is out of the oven, very juicy and delicious. And food is ready. It's time to serve. This couscous was very, very delicious, and the chicken was so delicious and it was very juicy. The chicken breast did not dry out at all. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video. Follow me if you are not already. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.